Corruption versus nepotism. Uganda, this is the biggest time bomb we are setting on. The rate at which nepotism in Uganda has gone is just too high. Both tribalism and segregation based on clan. Everything in Uganda is just now sexually transmitted. Jobs are sexually transmitted. Promotions, sexually transmitted. Contract deals, sexually transmitted. Selection in sports, sexual transmission. Politics, even because with nepotism, it deals with your relative. So when I'm not related to you, means that there was no sex line. This bloodline came through sex line. So there was no sex line in that thing. So if Uganda does not address nepotism issue, that currently this is the biggest failure in Uganda. The biggest failure, you go everywhere, Uganda is just full of nepotism. Segregation based on relative, my relative, my job. If you want to get job, first of all, you must be a relative. Then secondly, get some money. Now, corruption is better in the sense that somebody may struggle to get the money and give you. But now, if I'm not related to you, how can I force it? It's impossible for me to force it. So if Uganda does not address nepotism, first of all, professionalism is dying in this country, while nepotism is rising up. The death of professionalism is leading to the rise of nepotism, and nepotism is the one which is causing the death of professionalism. My tribe, my clan, my relative, my uncle, my brother, my mother-in-law, my mother, oh my wife, what. That kind of thing in Uganda. Ugandans. Why do you go and buy a smartphone? Is it your tribe who made it? Why do you buy a laptop? Why do you buy cars? Why do you buy AK-47? Is it your tribe who made it? Is it your clan who made it? Is it your wife who made the things? Everywhere, even NGOs, even local government, the worst sectors now practicing nepotism the most. Number one is the local government, and number two is the NGO. Yes, we may not have the statistic, but that is it. Uganda is aiding to a dead economy because of nepotism. Nepotism. In fact, to me, Uganda is world's number one country in terms of nepotism. And to me, according to me, nepotism is worse than corruption. Because if you are not related to somebody, you cannot force. But with corruption, at least I can get something and give you. You see? So if we don't address nepotism, Ugandans, I don't even know how to end this video, but bye-bye.
Records on the bed, it's smoking a low mix. You make my mind go zigzag. You make my mind go zigzag. You make my mind go zigzag, zaga zaga, zigzag, zigzag, zaga zaga. You make my mind go zigzag, zaga zaga, zigzag, zigzag, zaga zaga. You make my